Swanakina Katmiganu Gajanakle Retenaki Rejoksilo Kakozungzal Lumlom naknum Hivalay chung Aumlo Kamukolo Amun mi lom nak Jumun mi patian Sin long aum Atling mi dot nak Jumun mi patian Sin long aum O gamu jang Dot nak laki Dot nak Dong tiam lo mi Dot nak Boy pa dot nak O kamu jang At lumbik mi Dot nak Nun nak pek tiang Dot nak Zisu dot nak Mui nak chung i Kat lao janam Zang fanak he Adot nak in Akakul i Come to kangay Zisu asi Anun nak pek tiang akadot Zay timani Adot nak he Ten ko silo Amun mi lom nak Jumun mi patian Sin long aum Atling mi dot nak Jutling mi patian Sin long aum O kamu jang Dot nak laki Dot nak Dong tiam lo mi Dot nak Boy pa dot nak O kamu jang At lumbik mi Dot nak Anun nak pek tiang Dot nak Zisu dot nak O kamu jang
Dot nak tataki ka ko sa sex mo kolong Atak dot nak kayan na umlekil lityan kan ko na no umrolaw Minungsin ka po ni Jatuan man dot nak Kil Jatuan dot nak po kolot sana wat nak Milang chut simlo kay mang man wat nak yung kakat Kakolin ko naan kam hu kolot tika lurat take na mo ay chap Oh dot nak kan hu kolot katilarit tuk sang Katilungin ka on tika muy nak lo malang Siman se muy nak sun katlaw trok maliw sana aw tong katay Tuwan tukin katlaw trok maliw sana kaputa katay Anun nak kisaning kan dot akati Aw henasi di sa anun nak tiyang pekmi Sudot na kampung hutsun long nak ikangay Sudot na kampung hutsun falay par nak katay Oh dot nang nabubit sa mo Naburilaw siya chun at do krisin raw sa lo
Amun mi lom nak Jumun mi patian Sin long aum Atling mi dot nak Jutling mi patian Sin long aum O kamu jang Dot nak laki Dot nak Dong tiam lo mi Dot nak Boy pa dot nak O kamu jang At lumbik mi Dot nak Nun nak pek tiang Dot nak Zisu dot nak O kamu jang Kalom
Wow, atiam ma. Atiam bak ma. Okay. Atu ce nulapa leda wen kan game kan van inchal pinhalai la
atu su kepala limpa zamfat naten takkan kai koma stage sunga atu su ma patsum he kan ngai mise me pakat kan ngai le cowboy luku le cowboy pana so kepala limpa ni kan pakat akan simpiak lah atu tu nulapa cuma tindakan supaya kamu okay nulapa cowboy luku aku mi poka stage cuma akan kai pihak uzang fanak ten Kenu Henry nu zongkar akan kai pihak uzang faten Kenu Adam nu zong Kenu Daniel nu zong sama anak terang kai pihak
Okay. Ka shamthok jama kan nan tiam jam bakan kan. Yeehaw! Okay. Nan min kalala kin nan chan samala. Yeehaw!
Atiam cempo kalak song kedin suan hala
Ampir. Tiam kon. Ketiam kon ngati. Yahoo! Yeehaw! Yeehaw!
Yeehaw!
Okay. Ka tariyo. Hoda tiam sam nan venra. Henry Numa. Ka Henry nu atiam cham nan timi kanan kut van thiro. Kut thiro. Henry pa timi. Ruth pa timi. Kapa timi. Kapa anas pa timi. Kanu anas nu timi. Adam nu timi. Ka Satan Daniel nu timi. Oh. Ka Henry pa timi ka Henry nu timi ka nan kut van thir thano. Daniel nu timi ka nan kut van thir thano. Anit look rua. Anit look rua kaman sila. Ka one more time in panin an naman tatan lang.
Henry nu me tay ka.
Paano ni ka amaya bandiro?
Ay eh.
Okay. Ka one more time. Henry knew it to me. Daniel knew it to me. Oh, Henry knew ong roa. Ka. Ano pa ibang bengo? Okay, thank you.
Nula pa kan tel kumi biar ten sunga kan elom. Atutsu thasak lain kan vengkal chan la le. Atutsu group song junior papo kakan somna le madi in kan solo in Louis neran sakpiak tela KG1.
John and Adam skipping.
Kritu kanuna Kazumi zay zom fjelte Hivalay chung teria Nanam nanse Harnak chung a Lakasalay Kakirlay lo Dot mi kasi Kri tu kata Kri tu kata Karmi dilak ng nasi Karmi dilak Kri tu kasi zong Come to le kalom na Zung zal nak ding van ram Rojanak shramasi Kli tia lak zong Laka salay Zisu anong Boy pagpen gantang Sad Kri tu kata Kristu kejazaan kami dilak ng nasi kami dilak. Krinuzudi nga kay kakajang lai kakirlai lo balang kamaya boleh kanua kakirlai lo Kajata Kristu kejazaan kami dilak ng nasi kami dilak Kristu dinga kay kajajang lai kakirlai lo balang kamaya boleh kanua kakirlai lo dinga kay kakajang lai kakirlai lo balang kamaya boleh kanua kakirlai lo
Wow, Junior Paul and Tiamma. One more time, could convent bang pek nalai. Okay, Atuta, Quartet and convent lut laila, Mark, Amos, Matthew, La Thomas ka, Zapay bang bun convent somna.
Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich because of what the Lord has done for us. am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich. Let the poor has done for us. Give thanks. Give thanks to the grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. Give thanks with a grateful. Give thanks to the Holy because of giving Jesus Christ, His Son. And now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich, because of what the Lord has done for us. Give thanks. We
Kanilom an thiam tuk atu chu solo lane kan vangkala le Rachel pasading kan som junior Rachel senior
Din in kazomi lamka wipe out nak tikin hahot hifale lamnak adzan kamhan dan saubi harsanak lemwi naglam a bom to call in kababel loads amin ka outik a akato atot nakakhan ni chat nakaton Azan juga aku syom Minak juga umjan Apian hati meintil Mesuakan jaa Himna glumbi Atin fall batian Kan au nakatay jam berdubar Apiagam afek Alleen a big patien Zij zong wel den serdugan hem na glumbi Zan mi a hem deling a gaben Jun hua sermini dildo Akahum der du boy babatian Akashoy du Lifedin e ok akabek Cholebani chokolomi Kakara talom nak akabek Apiat yang in Nichet nakadondan Adan duka akashom Minak juga umjan Apian hati main Maswalkan jaa Hem naglumbing A tenfold batyan Kan ao nakatay tiang beldobar A biagam afek Alin na big batyan Zay zong beldil Serdugan hem naglumbing Bochen oglak kan batyan Velne naghe agan shoy Tong ten oglak kan boyba Amin tiang tong tat si go sel Masol kan jaa Hem naglumbing A tenfold batyan Kan ao nakatay tiang bagduban Biagam afek Alin na big batyan Zay zong veldil Serdugan hem naglumbing
Tiam mo. Atu chu game pakhat kan cher pi than nala. Atu chu nula pa kha cowboy thila shlo mi kha mai na kan chop pe khomo jang fa nak ten.
Ashok Lomi. All they like and putting me to Tin Pang Hao.
Sia boy zong kha cowboy thila shlo mi kha mai chop pe hao. Kanu zong Kanu liên liên nu zong kha shlo vấn te. Kanu elivan nu zong kha shlo lo. Kanu sung son nu zong a shlo lo.
Okay. Ha, atu che kan van lam hala, okay? Cái mà kalam mi pau ka nan van zo lai le a ching chia kho mi pau ka ong nan salai, okay? Ha, media boy. Cowboy tha van ka chop ya ko. Media, please. Oh, cái mà kalam mi pau kan nan van zo lai, okay? Lao cho lại là nên individual thì nên làm lại.
Oh, give me a home where the buffalo roam, where the deer and the antelope play.
A little bit more upbeat.
Your lonely nights are over, 'cause you've prayed 6.
Mama's from the PTA. We got batteries dressed up in white, a little black dress divorcees. Long live the blues, they're keeping me in business. Some wanna dance and some wanna party. Whatever they need, they call me Mr. Lonely, Mr. Good Time, Mr. One you're gonna want on a Saturday night when you're lonely, lying in the dark. I'm the number that you know, my broken heart. No, I ain't Mr. Right, I'm Mr. Right now. The one all the girls are talking about, the one and only Mr. Lonely.
Cut. Okay. Okay. Media, please play the song from where you guys started. Pakat la pakat din makadlamtan halay mag-groupin kantan halay. Groupin ma. Okay.
Atiam jami pokha pangpar pe khon sala.
Okay, media, please hit it.
We got Debbie Thompson, social lives, and mamas from the PTA. We got batteries dressed up in white, a little black dress divorcees. Long live the blues, they're keeping me in business. Some wanna dance and some wanna party. Whatever they need, they call me Mr. Lonely, Mr. Good Time, Mr. One you're gonna want on a Saturday night when you're lonely, lying in the dark. I'm the number that you know, my broken heart. No, I ain't Mr. Right, I'm Mr. Right now. The one all the girls are talking about, the one and only Mr. Lonely. Yes, some are in from out of town, just looking for some fun. For a couple of hours or more, yeah, I can be the one. Long live the blues, I'm burned up through November. You can find me in the book or on the bathroom wall when they all want a rendezvous. They call Mr. Good Time, Mr. One you're gonna want on Saturday.
Cut. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, or Group 4? Hold on, Tiam Tsum. Okay, wait. Okay, Group 1 at the me, Van Awu. Group 2 at the me, Van Awu. Group 3 at the me, Van Awu. Ah, come on, guys. Okay. Group 4 at the me, Van Awu. Okay. Ha. Group 4, laksong ka din piyak lang. Okay. Thank you, Nulapa. Ha. One more time, sabay biyang. Okay. Tuja, sasak din nga Robert Convenson. Okay, cut. Everyone, zapay biyang buwan.
go with me, still I will follow. Though not go with me, still I will follow. No turning back, no turning back. The world behind me, the cross before me. The world behind me, the cross before me. The world behind me, the cross before me. No turning back, no turning back. Will you decide now to follow Jesus? Will you decide now to follow Jesus? Will you decide now to follow Jesus? No turning back, no turning back, no turning back, no turning back, no turning back.
Wow, guys, atiyama. One more time in, please. Even clap it. Okay. Dua Chen, dua kan Nayla. Michael, Laela kan Somna. Chen, dua Cohen kan. Solo, KG1, Grace Avan Salai.
Pakate sab kan bandu atu in leyang kha kut ka kan shen chang le khan chonan dua khan chon kut ka kha shen chang
Wrong song. This is the wrong song. This is the wrong song.
Marista Tao.
Tell me when you're gonna start it. Because
You called me out upon the waters, the great unknown. Asilaw, karaoke. Chung afo na akan kuat niya You called me out upon the water.
Manilom tuk at kutbang buin kutbang pek humo. Tu sana chun KG1 le chu ne fashion show kan piak piak la ma di in khan solo kan vanilla Honest Anna Julia le Abigail ni solo kan sak piak la le adok na ka khan junior nu ni khan group song ang sak piak la rakan hak ri ko vela dok na khan rol thote zong kan 80 nen hala in tanga le surprise song kan nge dok na sama
Anitlak ma. Ang cowboy chill sa anitlak ma. Okay. Ka sa chen sasak len kan ban lutan nila tu junior Anas kan ban som zapay biang buin.
김현민 순원지 harsa 보민 놈의 민초행진 각한 벌로 김현민 강아이자 민수논지 Love ta thì cần phép luôn là chi đến muốn cái này tôi van đôi biết cái in trái tâm bố bạc lên nâu nè lệ đun đây đông rung lại pon mà ngày tu lâu ba ero kalaka đây đông ngày lâu min khắc cầm lâu mang ai khi min có sân lâu anh kim nhân min mang ai già min sâu non chín hun har sa to chín mà la rem ruột rêu râu bùi giá an quang chim hung chim bờ tô bà chua lâu bà cha thì cần phép luôn là chi tô cha thì còn phép luôn là chim cá lông
กันนิลมอตุซูโซโลนกันเป็นเปียชันละเลยเอ็น่าคาซังฟ้านักเตยนโซโลสักติงกันสมกุดแบงบุญสมเนาเส
Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. I am strong. Let the weak say, I am rich because of what the Lord has done for us. Give thanks. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich because of what the Lord has done for us. And now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich because of what the Lord has done for us. Give thanks.
Oh, tiambak. Kanilom tok. Okay, sa atin, atu solo ban Sri Lala Abigail kan ban som. Sa pa ibang buwan.
Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul. I'll worship Your holy name. The sun comes up. It's a new day dawning. It's time to sing Your song again. Whatever may pass and whatever lies before me, let me be singing when the evening comes. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul. I'll worship Your holy name. You're rich in love and You're slow to anger. Your name is great and Your heart is kind. For all Your goodness I will keep on singing. 10,000 reasons for my heart to find. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. Worship His holy name. strength is failing, the end draws near, and my time has come. Still my soul will sing your praise unending. 10,000 years and then forevermore. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh my soul, I'll worship your holy name. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Oh my soul, worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh my soul, I'll worship your holy name. Yes, I'll worship your holy name. Lord, I'll worship your holy name.
À chiam mo, kan sa pi ten kum piang nau se.
Okay. Kan vẫn đi đêm. À tu chơi. Zoom nak lai. La. He ashok me. Cowboy bu ashok me. Or luchin ashok me. Vẫn cần cài bia cô. Amaya. Azay pa ashok ha khoi lau. Anh này mi bao he stage chung vẫn cần cài bia cô. Nula pa ha.
Nagkalaw sa naman ka na ulah ya.
Ganun Daniel nu, zang pa natin, hanggang kaya ko.
Atu kan to ding mi ka chu fashion show na kan pia vela. Lakan judges ka pathum kan simi na num judges ka atu wana kan kai pia vela mo sia boy sia sang le ka pahu. Good bang pia na se kan judges ka. So atu kan nule kan pa cowboy tila show mi ka tanga kan na kan kapya kan mo zang fa natin atanga kan kika nule current ta kan umula pakat jiao ting kan ban ka la kan fashion show na kan pya la kan judges patum ka amara kan so pya tao. tu he kan judges kha an criteria zai khida an zo timi kha an ven kan chim la la khan an ven chim din kha ta khan an thula la khan fashion show pia mi po kha judge an to
cái chỗ ăn làm cờ cái dạo là
Se, cái chỗ ăn mít ăn enthusiasa ăn mít mai apan mapan lâu cái dạo thế lại
ăn lầm cờ khá hot mà hot lâu bắc cái dạo là chọn ăn mít ảo pa mà pa lâu thì cái dạo là
kan ni lom nan tu khau fashion show pia ding mi kan ni ready mo thang deu in media za fa nak ten ha nak so pia khomo ko bang in som nau se kan ni lom an chiam mo tu chu judges po kha chan kam pek na la le sa in kan vocal ri la tu chu solo starting in Julia kan som KG1 Julia
สุดท้องลองนี้ก็สนักในจำสีจังก็สินี้ก็งาซื้อตู้ดดไม่นาสีdi suatu longing sanai no mi kanon na kane kange o kange lang lay do na hello si se boy pa ni amoy kan insami kasi Kinakin mi from andam Mi to mi na hello Ming nakanak in kanun kazo itik layla Kasi Si se kwi tonta Yak ta ka nga Inton lut na ka mo O kasi ning ka nga Dot ako may sabi Dot ako Visitong langit Kasonak na chamusita Kasining kangal Sir dudot minasi Visitong langit Lalami kanon Nagsulam ka na Visitong langit Kasonak na chamasita Kasini kangal Sir dudot minasi Visitong langit Sanay lami kanon Nagsulam ka na Kasining kangazing Sutong langit Kanon Nagsulam ka na
Tiambak Okay, Sachen Sachen one more Sasak umla Junior Nupol Convenin Somna
Hello.
Isang tao na Pagtag ni Boy Anton
lấy xiêm bờ sông anh suy nu chim lông anh đô na anung cơ bát chân tu bồi về lạc bồi si se asum parna tu akata sa si nak itimin tina lam tu asu mi so ke mata anu na pe Lu ching an chi vai la man tha ado kun ko kham tu Giêsu Christ vai lam ta nam tu ka kai chai ko vai lam ta nam tu ka so thiên na tu so kita ka por la na sang bi Atin sum san nam na kamuna Atiami patiale me sorana Chim ding le pon din na kanelo O vai lam ti lo chu Vai lam ta na chu ka tay chan ko Vai lam ta na chu ka so tian na Vai lam ta na chu ki chanun na Lurut lang ning sa môi phonak in chỉ sẽ nak thing ram nak thi sen chu alo mi so gay cha tak sa thiên lung thara dam na anung ka ba tian tu boy vie lak boy si se asun parnak tu akal ta sa si nak itimi Lu ching an chi vai la man tha ado kun ko ka kham tu Giêsu Christ vai lam ta na tu ka tay chan ko vai lam ta na tu ka so tian na vai lam ta na tu ka so ke ta ka por na sambi Atin sum san nam na kamuna Atiami patiale me sorana Chim ding le pon din na kanelo O vai lam ti lo chu Vai lam ta nam chu ka tay chan ko Vai lam ta nam chu ka so tian na Vai lam ta nam chu ki chanun na Vai lam ta nak chung a chiều ca mu masa ca lum re the na ka a đi cha ke ma ka zum cha khi kin chiều ca mu a tu chuni ta ke ma ka lo Valentana tuka kay chan ko Valentana tuka sa tiyan na Valentana tuka sa kay cha Kapolo na sabi At higit sa salon na kamuna At yami patilin isorang na Chingin na puti ka kangayon Valentino tu Valentana tuka kay Chanko Valentana tuka sa tiyanla Valentana tuka tanonna Valentana tuka kay Chanko Valentana tuka sa tiyanla Valentana tuka tanonna
Anh chị mò anh chị mà chân cúp bèn bèn nào sẽ à tu chu fashion show kan rak to mi kha kan van kir than la le kan judges patum kha zang fa nak te na chu rak kai pya ko alai te han rak kan pya ko zang fa te tunai fashion show an pia mi kha nam report kana kan simla how that winner se la zai rong ata ma kan pek sia sang ne kan thok pek se
จะคัดแต่หมวกกันซาตะกันคอมไบกันก็แล้วเสียสังกันป่วยดิอามาซุมมีค่ะน้องมันบันทันก็
Sasa kahin Ruth apala machun Joseph Nehin an manager an chim gam sa sai lo la kai ba akan chim ter visit ka masa chim masa ka du e kai ba he kan nun chunga ka chan chunga Josh ka ton ba ka boy ka dak se e aba pi gai atu zan kha e aba pi ngai te ka van hu cha khan ka hin judge aka thim tu dim len len chung nan chunga lom na tam pi ka ngai boy ba chun fashion nan pi mi ka kan zo nan thiam di kan har tuk mak pek liwa kan har tuk ke kan cha kan van thai sa sai na lo la ka hin kan chairman ka van hal pa len Jackson zo ka van hal pa len ne ka van tial mi zo he voi ni voi thum ka van tial than long mang e how da kan pek lai ta kan har tuk la kan lung re thai ngai e ma ka kan pek te na kan lung fa dak sei man lo na kan thai pek chiam lai ta ka non ma sa kan du na kan lung kil tin chun pakat nak nan sidi ka ta ka chiam ma sa ka du e ka hin apali nak in kan thok masala lak song nan ngai ko ro ka te lak song zo he zai da si ka thailo na aman fak tak mi asiko arit ngai te ka van chong ya pa la tlom pa te ke sala kan lom to ka hin apali nak kan van thok ko ning la ka hin apali nak cho adam du ase kut bang pek na se lak song van lata se ka na zapiten drum roll who know drum ka drum roll sa ka na lom to nang man ka pek ta lo sa ka thank you na tiam to len pa ka ponga achut pan kan sia Henry nu na alan ha lo akatelen ba belte so sorry sa kachim swal ba chu apathum nak Henry no ma kan tim liu na hin kwa sa pi kan rut ko Chun apani naka Anas nu. Hi pathum kampek nak na he. Arwang cho an fashion to an thiam to an lam kar rim an lakur rim ka mak tuk. E an mak zong he an khadi na te in khan an lam kal dan in kan kampek na. Chun apakat nak hau nan ra. Hau nan ra. Who do you guys think who got the first place? What do you guys think? Louder. All right. Lian lian pa. All right. Laksong velakpan kan music ra kan chot pyak kan lampiak thantasa. Zang fa nak tin. Vakan lampiak thantasa. Atiam tuk 1 2 3 go. All right, thank you. Laksong anga lom hi song khanan touch la se mai kum leinan som chanti lai. Kana lom tukha.
Judges Ball, thank you. Judges Ball shangakan kut bem piak nal se. Okay. Sechun atuze zaida tang. What? Drama? Yes, drama Avan Salai. Ka. Okay. Okay. Satsun, actors and actresses, please go to your positions.
Hey, do you remember how last year we did a play about how David beat Goliath?
Yeah, I remember. Today, let's talk about the story of Moses. Egypt, a land of power and pyramids, ruled by Pharaoh. Here we have Miriam, the sister of Moses.
Then Pharaoh's daughter went down to the Nile to bathe. And her attendants were walking along the riverbank. She saw the basket among the reeds, and she sent her female slave to get it. She opened it and saw the baby. He was crying, and she felt sorry for him.
This is one of the Hebrew babies. Then Miriam courageously approached the Pharaoh's daughter, pretending not to know that the baby was her brother.
Would you like me to go and get one of the Hebrew ladies to nurse the baby for you?
Yes, go. Nurse him for me, and I'll pay you. His name will be Moses because I drew him out of the water.
Many years have passed, and now Moses, he went to where his people were and witnessed an Egyptian beating a Hebrew.
I've lived here my whole life. But my people, the Israelites, are treated like slaves.
Moses tried to defend one of his people, but in his anger, he killed an Egyptian, and hid his body in the sand. He then realized that his act was witnessed, and when the Pharaoh found out, he was furious and wanted Moses dead.
However, Moses ran away, and he left to Midian, where the maid pastor of Midian, offered his daughter as a pawn.
During this time, the king of Egypt passed away, and there came a new Pharaoh. The Israelites cried out for help due to the harsh slavery, and God heard their cries for help.
Moses was tending the sheep and led the flock to the far side of the desert near Mount Horeb. Then Moses saw a burning bush that was on fire but was not burning.
Moses, Moses,
I'm here.
do not come any closer. Take off your sandals because you are standing on holy ground. I am the God of your ancestors, the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. I have seen how cruelly people are being treated in Egypt. I have heard them cry out to rescue from their slave drivers. I know all about their sufferings, and so I have come down to rescue them from the Egyptians and to bring them out of Egypt to a spacious land, one which is rich and fertile, and which is in Canaanite, the Hittites, the Amorites, the Perizzites, and the Hivites, and the Jebusites now live. I have indeed heard the cry of my people, and I see how the Egyptians are oppressing them. Now I am sending you to the king of Egypt so that you can lead my people out of his country.
But I'm nobody. How can I lead them out of Egypt?
I will be with you.
Moses then followed the instructions of God, such as turning a stick into a snake, and that snake back into a stick, and putting his hand in his cloak and seeing it diseased, and putting his hand back in it and it being clean and restored as the rest of his flesh. It was then when God tells him to go back, and he will convince his brother Aaron to help him.
Moses and Aaron then went to the Pharaoh to talk to him.
Pharaoh, God says, let my people go.
Let my people go. No, who is this God of yours, and why should I listen to him? I do not know the Lord, and I will not let Israel go.
God of the Hebrews has revealed himself to us. Allow us to travel 3 days into the desert to offer sacrifices to our Lord. If we don't, he'll kill us by disease or by war.
Lazy! That's what you are, lazy. You keep on saying, let my people go and sacrifice to the Lord. Now get to work. You will not be given any straw, yet you must produce your full quota of brick.
Pharaoh's heart was hard, so God sent plagues.
The Nile turned to blood. The gnats, frogs, gnats, flies, boils, hail, locusts, and then darkness.
I will bring one more plague on Pharaoh and on Egypt. After that, he will let you go from here. And when he does, he will drive you out completely. Tell the people that men and women alike are to ask their neighbors for articles of silver and gold.
Moses then went to Pharaoh one last time to tell him of the final plague.
Pharaoh, if you do not let God's people go, the firstborn in every household will die. What?
No.
That night, God told his people to mark their doors with lamb's blood.
At midnight, the Lord Lord struck down all the firstborn in Egypt, from the firstborn of Pharaoh who sat on the throne to the firstborn of the prisoner who was in the dungeon, and the firstborn of all the livestock as well. Pharaoh and all of his officials and all the Egyptians got up during the night, and there was loud wailing in Egypt, for there was not a house without someone dead.
During the night, Pharaoh summoned Moses and Aaron.
Go! Leave Egypt, take everything, and go!
So the Israelites left as fast as possible.
Get up. Everyone.
When the king of Egypt was told that the people had fled, Pharaoh and his officials changed their minds about them and said,
What have we done? We have let the Israelites go, and we have lost their services.
Pharaoh's army is chasing us.
Stand firm. God will fight for us.
God parted the sea, and the Israelites walked through dry ground.
The sea closed, and the army that was chasing them were swept away.
On the first day of the 3rd month after the Israelites left Egypt, on that very day they came to the desert of Sinai.
God spoke to Moses 3 days earlier, giving instructions and a covenant offered. The Israelites spent 3 days preparing, washing, waiting, and staying pure. On the 3rd day, God descended in thunder and fire and spoke the 10 Commandments.
You shall have no other gods before me. You shall not make for yourself an idol or any image of anything in heaven above, or on earth beneath, or in the waters below. You shall not bow down to them or worship them. You shall not misuse the name of the Lord your God. Remember the Sabbath day by keeping it holy. 6 days you shall labor and do all your work, but the 7th day is Sabbath to the Lord your God. Honor your father and mother, so that you may live long in the land of the Lord your God is giving you. You shall not murder. You shall not commit adultery. You shall not steal. You shall not give false testimony against your neighbors. You shall not covet your neighbor's house. You shall not covet your neighbor's wife, or his male or female servant, his ox or donkey, or anything that belongs to your neighbor.
Moses then went up to Mount Sinai, where he spent 40 days talking to God.
The Israelites then began to worry about Moses' absence, and they began to sin.
Moses has been gone far too long. Aaron, make us a god.
Bring me your gold jewelry.
The Israelites then made a calf and an altar.
Behold, this is our God.
Moses then came down from the mountain holding 2 stone tablets.
Moses, there's the sound of war in the camp.
It's not the sound of victory or defeat, but singing. Aaron, what have you done? You've turned away from the true God.
Do not be angry, my lord. You know how prone these people are to evil. They said to me, make us a God who go before us. As for this fellow Moses, who led us out of Egypt, they said, make me a gold calf. And they gave me the gold, and out came this calf.
Whoever is for the Lord, come to me.
All the Levites came.
The Lord commands this. Once night falls and they have fallen asleep, go through their camp and kill every last one of them. Those who have rejected the Lord, whether they're your family or your friend, kill them before their sin kills us.
"3,000 people died that night. And then God sends out plague to finish off the remaining sinners. Moses then had to rewrite the stone tablets himself. They then left Mount Sinai. They then sent out 12 spies to the land of Canaan. But the Israelites feared the Canaanians, so they refused to enter.
Oh, yeah. Come.
After a year, the Israelites are still wandering the desert. Amongst them, a rebellious man named Korah plotted.
You've gone too far. The whole community is holy. Why do you and Aaron act above everyone else?
Korah, tomorrow the Lord will show who belongs to him. You and your followers will bring incense. He will show who is set apart.
The next morning, Korah and his rebellious bunch were punished.
Everybody, get up! Move away from their tents. If they have died of natural causes, then you will know that the Lord has not sent me. But if the earth swallows them whole, then they have rejected the Lord.
A low rumble shakes the ground. The people scream. The earth split open beneath Korah's group. They fell into the chasm. The ground closes.
Many years have passed, and the Israelites are still roaming the wild.
Moses, can't you see? We're all hungry.
Yeah!
We're all thirsty.
Yeah!
Why can't you help us?
Yeah! Why did you lead us out of Egypt? You led us to our death!
Yeah!
Water! Water! Water!
Calm down. I hear you. Lord, please help my people.
Moses, take your walking stick, and you and your brother Aaron should gather the people. Speak to that rock in front of them so that its water will flow from it. When you bring the water out from that rock, give it to the people and their animals.
But Moses did not listen. Out of frustration, he said,
All of you who would turn away from the Lord our God, you want water? I'll give you water. There's your water.
Water poured out of the rock and they drank.
because Moses did not listen to God, he told Moses that he will not enter the promised land. He told Moses to come out to Mount Nebo.
Moses, behold the promised land. But because you did not believe me, and because you did not honor me as holy before the people, you will not lead them into the land I will give them.
I understand, Lord. I have seen your glory, and that is enough.
Moses died there on Mount Nebo, and the people mourned.
Soon after, God spoke to Joshua.
Moses, my servant is dead. Now then, you and all these people, get ready to cross the Jordan River into the land I am about to give to them. To the Israelites, I will give you every place where you set your foot, as I promised Moses.
Everyone, go through the camps and tell the people, get your provisions ready. 3 days from now, we will cross the Jordan River and go to the land our God has promised us. Be courageous, do not be afraid, for our God, our Lord, will follow us wherever we go.
And so, many days later, the Israelites entered the promised land under the guidance of Joshua.
Just like he did for Moses, God stopped the waters of the Jordan River till it was dry so that the Israelites may cross safely.
Moses' story is more than history. It's courage, obedience, and forgiveness.
God keeps his promises always. Amen.
drama kan piak tu kan nawe cunga kan lom drama ne alang ter mi khasu pathian ne abya kam khasu atlin ter pang tin an lang ter du na khase la atu khasu kan tok na kha kan vamphan la ram thok e dong tiang akan ter pi tu nu la pa le sen su kan naw le la minovil te nan cunga kan lom tok kan pa nak tan pi zom ko la na tan nge thiam na kha nge thiam nak la ro thiam na kha kan han ha le atu chu in tanga khan sampiu ena kan ngela le tu sa chun role cha le dok nak cha kha kan pastor pa ne tha kan chapyak
để là cái chậm lá bộ bát thiên cái đi lom tu ra zo iban tu cái pha lệ tê đi o zai da pek bi tha sak kho dak phur ka da pek bi nang ba chu sun par dak ka de pek ke dang ba ni chau di kau drama se se boy pan ban pia nak vial te an tu mi tu za ni kan tu mi sun par dak se selo ad thil lo adun pi adenun pi da bia kha an lak ter bi tam pilaka boy para ba ni tha chu pe da lo ai thad bibi asida kha adun da ka tha chu pe kau tha ka de lom tuk da bi ni tha chu kan pek pek tha million bisa dak ba ti za bi man rua vulai lai se se phan rua pathian dak ba rian rua tu phan rua chuak da se tharau khat bi falate sida se bi phun cha phan rua sida se kan ti ba tu ka de hal ri kau da bi ni tha chu ka pek ta the long selo sia sia ba te chung zo kan ba de lom zang lai an choi bi chu kan de lom dak bari tharawit kha ter chida thon na kan khat da se an fal te cha boy pa ade pek nak viol te da khal bentuk kan tha chuai pe chin tha tia the boy pa tha ka cham piak tha kadi lom tu zari kan tu ser bi viol te chu kan bari lom kan thiam lo bi le kan khal thiam lo bi a bi le kan tu sual bi sir kan gai thiam gai thian kam dol nak ma sun par dak lian gan dak se ko se kan di tuang ten kan bari lom pum di herbi san piu zong ai di kan bari tim kan ai tika dam da kan pe tu thona kan pe tu tirol chan na kha ta chu kan pek pek kau tin bia vial te na ku thiang chan pa pa jisu criminal lop da ka than sa pa pathian amen
Hello. Hello, my check. Hello, 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 check. Hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Checking 1, 2. Hello, hello, my check. Hello.
Let's see what comes your way.
cái thay lâu cần cho ăn cho bạn thôi cái này đi bèn cái dùng các bạn cầu cái là lâu dán lại cái thằng này cũng bay cố cần tận hẳn cái dùng cái bèn lâu
Bro, Ellie, what do you mean can you drive? He's in college.
I'll give you all the five since you see that. Probably your dad. All right, look, we're gonna put them in the house. Okay? All the cookies go here. Y'all not coming the way I'm coming. No, it's not five or anything.
Jake, hello. Jake, hello. Rivap kapan sila? Oh, I don't. Sak nom tuk tang na. Hello. 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 Atam tuk te. Hello. Jake. Laki rivap sak zang tam tuk. Jake. Okay, let's go zang tam tuk. Okay, okay. I don't tuk sure. Hello. My check 1 2 2 2 2 2 check. Tam tuk. Hello. Hello. Zaida. Not. Hello. Check. Check, check.
Just the TV. Pero kapalong sing kasi pero hay nga mat mi hindu nang to pek fa kan din sin sin.
Namasuk kita, anu lek kepiak tau kan? Anu lek piak, amal lek piak.
Kami la po. Vem play pek te mo play kan.
Sila mam kisi sila.
Hello. Hikan lang tila. Avan player lang tila. Hello. Check. Kaso feedback had the over.
Sisa.
Thami take peng mi sima take peng mi sila ti. Ngak no. Ma hati chen take bel mi sila. Acha ngai thai kai ngai. Thai sa ti le thai them ma mi za pizza si the ma pizza long sala. Print mi sa. Kai long the lang te le karaoke ha kai ngai.
Hello.
Thank you.
Hello.
Adu tu ke.
Okay. Okay, now thank you. Play. Hello.
Hello. Lo. Patiang Papa Giêsu Christ kan na
cha du dim. Okay. Start over, please.
Patiang Papa Giêsu Christ. Patiang Papa Giêsu Christ kan nun na cha du dim nun na kan đâu sung big mi a si kan her mi thil zai zong kan ngai kho na chu Boy Giêsu Christ ngai hi a si kan nun na chu ram ring la ka abok mi le din mun ti pong ka ma khoi mi ban tu a thật chua chu aliamin aliam Boy ba pha lên ha boy ba chu thăng cha tu a bot na liên ngân chu chi mu si dây sông yên tề a boy Giêsu Christ thong in arumi le thật chua mi kan si chang Hi lay nun a nau ta big le san tai lo big bang na bay dong le wa sang ao mi nan mo na rau sung big Giêsu Christ wa chan lo nang am na ki na khat cầu lai Pat thiên biel te lang i pat thiên chung nung big le boy biel te na lak i boy chung nung big chu nang le kai i kan pat thiên chu a si Boy pa pha lên ha boy pa chu thăng cha tu a đốt nam ngân chu chim Kan nun nak ni zol fa ngai chiat at ton chan ha le chi chiat ti le kan nun nak i ran chan a tin lung quay le van sang ao mi nan mo Giêsu tot na hi ruat than man le kan si sara si amatunya aku cak Boy pa pha lên na boy pa chu thăng cha tu a tot na lengan chu chim u si dây sông điel te a boy Giêsu Christ thong in arumi le thật chua mi kan si chang
Dario, chikete. Van phanta man za faten. Dario chikete mo. Adin tuk mo. ทั้งหมดไม่ลงค่ะทั้ง
Kan menatulang sing leba apok nile di munti pong kamasway mi bantuki at suatu alyami alyam
Start over, please. Pa fa le na boy pa chu thang cha tu diska.
adot na Patiam fa pa Jesu Christu kan nun nak sa du dim nun na kan daw sung big mi asi kan her mi thil zai zong kan ngai kho nak chu boy Jesu Christ ngai hi asi kan nun nak sa ram khring laka abok mi ram khring laka atum
Now lin ay man lawachun.
Start over. Kecil tak duduk lah.
Hello, checking. Hello. Oh, chú lậu, thấy chưa? Hello. Hello, Vân Tiri cậu. Hello. Hello. Hello.